Hey YouTube, Brad8671 coming back at you here. I got a 2-package Mailday from Tubers and then a couple upgrades for my quarterback PC. So we'll get to the Tubers first. I was in a contest, GronkFan87's contest, for the top 5, show your top 5 favorite cards, and I actually won it. So that was pretty cool. Um, got his package in the other day. It says, Brad, thanks for watching my videos and getting in on the free giveaway. Enjoy first prize, Mike Rizzo. So Mike, man, I really appreciate it. I couldn't believe I won. I thought it was awesome. Like I said, I just enjoy watching all those videos. I love watching people's top 5, top 10s. I love it. And here's what he sent. 2010 Upper Deck Buster Posey rookie. This guy's awesome when he's not getting run over by people at home plate. What do you guys think? If he's your best hitter, I know Mike Piazza did it for a year, but why do you have him at catcher? You know, same thing like what you're seeing with the Twins with Joe Mauer. Why are you having your best hitter at catcher? You know, it's just like you're asking for trouble if you ask me. Tell me what you think. Comment below. The next card is out of 2007 Artifacts, a beast of a pitcher. It's a jersey card, Justin Verlander. Alright, and the last one's a really sharp looking card out of Topps Marquee. It's number 93 of 190. It's now Marlins pitcher Heath Bell. It's a really sharp looking card. On card auto. So yeah, if anyone's doing this set or collects Heath Bell, just let me know. I'd be willing to trade it. But Mike, really appreciate it, man. Thanks for the free giveaway. Like I said, I just thought it was an awesome contest to enter, so appreciate it very much, man. Yeah, I'm sure if you're subbed to me, you're subbed to him, but I'll put his link down below anyway, just in case there's one of you or something that isn't. And the next one I thought was really cool. It's from Fighton52. James, he sent me a PM. In one of my videos, he saw that I needed Matt Cassel. He's one of the quarterbacks I needed for my quarterback autograph PC. And he said he had one. So I said, oh, you know, cool, I'll trade or buy it from you. And he just says, send me your address, I'll send it out to you. So I thought that was freaking awesome. I appreciate that very much. He sent a note along and said, Brad, glad I could help out your sick PC. Enjoy, James, Fighton52. And also, check out, if you haven't went to BoJacksonCards.com, go check that out if you want to see the sickest Bo Jackson collection there is, in my opinion. I haven't seen one better than that. So, here's the card he sent me. It's out of 2011 Triple Threads. It's a jersey auto, number 22 of 75, of Chiefs quarterback Matt Cassel. This is just freaking awesome, man. I know not everyone will get pumped about a Matt Cassel, but I'm pretty pumped about it. I mean, I really appreciate you sending that my way. And Matt Cassel, why were the Chiefs pondering looking for another quarterback this year? I mean, don't get me wrong, he's not like Tom Brady or anything, but the 2 years he started and stayed healthy, his teams won 11 games, and his touchdown and interception ratio was awesome. So, I don't know why people kind of think this guy stinks. I beg to differ. I think if he stays healthy, they're at least a winning team, in my opinion. But anyways, man, James, I really appreciate it, dude. I really do. You have no idea. The next two things are upgrades for my quarterback PC. I had a couple ones I was looking to upgrade for the last month or two. I had a Bernie Kosar Press Pass Auto, which are nice cards. I actually one of those people that like Press Pass. I like the look of them. But I like to get the NFL players if I can in their pro uniforms, just for like more memory sake, you know. So this was numbered to 150, nice card. And I upgraded out of this year's limited, I think it's the gold version, numbered 9 of 25, to this Bernie Kosar. I thought that was really, I love the limited look this year. So, I thought that was a good upgrade. Got a pretty good deal on it, so. And then my next one, I upgraded. I used to have this Randall Cunningham Press Pass. Saturday signatures. And I upgraded out of this year's playbook. It's number 13 of 49. Look at that. And in his Eagles uniform, which I remember him as an Eagle, not as a Viking. So I thought those were pretty cool upgrades, getting them in their pro uniforms. So yeah, now these two are available for trade or sale if you guys are collectors of these players or doing a quarterback PC yourself and need them. Just hit me up. So James and Mike, appreciate the package, man. That was awesome of both of you. Mike doing the contest, James just sending me a PC card. It was freaking awesome. So that's all I got for you today. Hope everyone has a wonderful Memorial Day weekend. Remember, no drinking and driving, please. You know, don't be stupid. You can have a good time without being stupid. You know what I'm saying? So, hope all of you are doing well. That's all I got for you guys. Peace.